Are you looking? The demand for mechanical tools, especially adjustable wrenches, has surged as DIY projects and home repairs become more common. Whether you're a professional, weekend warrior, or casual homeowner, a reliable adjustable wrench is a must-have. This guide highlights the best adjustable wrenches available, evaluating each based on jaw capacity, build quality, grip comfort, material, and overall value. Here are 5 top-performing options worth your investment. List number: Crescent 3-piece adjustable cushion grip wrench set, 6 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches, AC26810. The Crescent AC26810 3-piece adjustable wrench set is a standout for anyone seeking reliable ergonomic tools. Each wrench, 6 inches, 8 inches, features a comfortable cushion grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended use. The chrome-plated finish resists rust and corrosion, making this a long-term investment. The knurled adjustment mechanism turns smoothly and holds its position well under torque. Precision machined jaws grip fasteners tightly, reducing the chance of slipping. The included sizes offer great versatility, from household plumbing to automotive repairs. Crescent is a brand trusted by professionals, and this set lives up to the reputation. It's an excellent all-rounder for those looking to upgrade from cheap tools or build a serious toolkit. List number: Channellock 8WCB 8-inch wide-as adjustable wrench. Channellock's 8WCB wide-as adjustable wrench is built for serious performance. Its extra-wide, 1.5-inch jaw opening is ideal for gripping large nuts and bolts that standard wrenches can't handle. The precise jaw design minimizes jaw play, which translates to less rounding and slipping. At just 8 inches, it's surprisingly compact, and the slim profile helps in tight or awkward spots. The comfort-coated handle adds grip without sacrificing control. Made in the USA with forged steel, this wrench screams durability. It's ideal for HVAC techs, mechanics, and DIYers tackling irregular-sized fasteners. While it's priced a bit higher for a single wrench, its superior jaw width and accuracy justify the investment. List number: Craftsman adjustable wrench set, 3-piece, CMMT 1201. The Craftsman CMMT 1201 3-piece adjustable wrench set brings practicality and trusted quality in one package. Included are 6 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches wrenches, perfect for everyday household tasks and moderate mechanical work. Each wrench features a laser-etched metric and SAE scale, making it easy to adjust accurately without guesswork. Built from durable all-steel construction, they offer excellent resistance to wear and tear. Although the handles lack rubber grips, the slim profile makes them easy to store and maneuver in tight spaces. Craftsman's lifetime warranty also adds peace of mind, especially for users just building their toolkits. These are ideal for light to medium-duty work, where consistency and precision matter. List number: WORKPRO 3-piece adjustable wrench set, CRV, with rubberized anti-slip grips. The WORKPRO 3-piece adjustable wrench set combines affordability with solid performance. This set includes the common 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch sizes, each made from chrome vanadium steel for strength and longevity. The rubberized anti-slip grips are a big bonus, providing comfort and reducing slippage even in wet or greasy conditions. The jaws are well machined, with minimal play when adjusted. This makes them reliable for gripping bolts or fittings during plumbing or mechanical tasks. While not professional grade, the WORKPRO set punches above its weight for the price. Ideal for home toolboxes, light-duty automotive work, or a backup set. List number: WORKPRO 2-piece adjustable wrench set, wide jaw black oxide finish. The WORKPRO 2-piece adjustable wrench set features 6-inch and 10-inch wrenches with a striking black oxide finish that enhances rust resistance. What sets them apart is the extra wide jaw capacity, which allows users to tackle larger nuts and fittings without needing a longer tool. The wrenches are clearly marked in metric measurements for quick sizing and feature a compact but sturdy build. While they lack rubberized grips, the contoured handle design gives decent control. These wrenches are great for tight spaces and offer solid value for budget-conscious buyers looking for wider grip options without sacrificing durability.